Hi guys, good day. My name is Victor, instructor and tutor from Enjoy Software Solutions. Today we shall be looking at how to convert GPS point data from Excel file into Shapefile on an ArcMAP. So be attentive as we follow the procedures. So here I have my folder for GPS point data. So from here, you open the file. So once you open the file, you can see all the data. You have the coordinate of all those data points, and you have the point ID like you can see on your screen. From there, let me close this. And this is my ArcMAP interface. From this interface, I'm going to add my point data file. That is where at times I can put it on my local disk drive. Since I'm not doing a very sales job, just to show the conversion, that's why I left the folder on a desktop. So from there, you can connect to a folder, to your folder from here. So you browse the folder on the, so I have it's on my this PC, then I have my desktop. That's where I have the folder. So from there, that is my GPS points data. So I select the folder by highlighting it, then I click OK. Or at times, see, you can see it's not displaying here again. So sometimes you can go here, you look for the folder. You can come here as well. You can see you have your seminar, whatever. So you have it here already. So you can pick it. You can see I have it in form of LCV, CSV. Sorry. At times it can be in form of extension of SLSS. So you select this, then you click add. So once I click add, it's going to pop up this from my layer. So once it pop up this, I right click on it, then I go to display XY data. So you can see, you say you have your X as your easting, as you know, and your Y feed as your nodding. That will be your nodding. So select it like that. Like you can see on your screen, the description for the coordinate system, that is the coordinate system, it's not there. It's unknown coordinate system. So as at that time, the in which this data was picked on feed, it was on a WGS 54. So from there, I have to select, I have this on my favorite coordinate system already, so I don't have to play myself much. So I'll select this. You can see I have this. So you make sure that the coordinate system you're selecting is the same thing that it was as at the time of observation, or as at the time you're acquiring the information from feed or the data. So from there, I'll click OK. So once I click OK and everything is set here already, here I didn't have my Z feed. At the beginning, I have my height, or I have the altitude there, then all the Z, I can select the feed here, but since it's not there, so I don't need to bother myself. So from there, I click OK. You see the kind of message it pop-ups. So from there, I click OK, where I know. So you can see this is my data, this is my XY data. So yet it hasn't become the shapefile data yet. So from here, what next do I have to do? I have to convert it as it is right now into shapefile. So how will I go about that? So I'll right click on GPS pdata.csv event. So I'll go to data, then export data. So once I go to that side, I can come here. Let me place it inside the same folder it was then. I have it here already, so I don't need to stress myself much. Yeah, you can see here's the folder it was then. So let me open the folder. Yeah, I've opened the folder, but mind you, if I don't close the other one I was showing the other time, I won't be able to open this. So I have to close the other folder because I can't open a particular folder at the same time in two different locations. So I have to rename my shapefile, the point data which I'm converting to shapefile. So I'll call it GPS um, that underscore that data. Sorry, underscore that or data. So from here I click save, and then I click OK. Yeah, it's exporting it. It's asking me whether to export it on a map layer as a map layer. Okay, what about okay? I click yes since I want to see that. So yeah, right now you can see I have my GPS point data which I acquire from a feed in form of ArcMAP. So from here I don't need this anymore. I have to discard it, or I have to remove it, you know. So now I'm having this in form of shapefile. I'm having this point data in form of shapefile now, so I can use it for any further information or whatever I want to use it for. So you can see, if you were following us as we're going the other time, you notice that you can view attribute table on the other one that I just discarded right now. So if I open this, you see all your coordinates. You can see you have all these ones there being displayed. So even this right now, I can decide rather to display the label properties. You can see it's still loading. So label, yeah, it's in point ID already, so I don't need to bother myself. So what I have to do, I can do any adjustment here if I want. If I want to change the font name, the size, you know, and I want it to bold, I can change the color, whatever I want to do there. So I'll click OK here since I'm done with that. So then the next thing, I'll click label features. So you can see all these are the data acquired from the site, and they are all well labeled right now. So that's how to convert from Excel, that is the point data from Excel, to shapefile on ArcMAP. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our page, and don't forget to share it. Thank you. Bye for now. I still remain myself, Victor, the tutor and instructor from Enjovic Softech Solutions. Bye for now.